I love what potatoes does for your soil. It can only help when the soil is really bad, like that patch near the fence. Oh wow, that's a big worm. But look at this. 2 feet away near the fence, the soil is not like this. So I'll be adding some soil snacks to it. This is what I want to see when I dig. Look at this. They're everywhere. Look at that. Got a whole family of them. Oh, there's more. Here, guys. Just go over here. Or girls. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Love seeing that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Anyway, I find that my soil is really good after potatoes. I think because the seed potato kind of sits there and decomposes and feeds everything. And the worms love a decomposing potato. What the heck is that? Slug sunsoil. Lots of life in these parts. Oh my gosh, so many worms in here. Wow. There you go. That's a nice money shot for potato harvest videos, right? And these again are Russian banana, so these are supposed to be small. I usually prefer them a little bit larger, but I think the rain impacted their size a little bit. It's alright, I'll make use of tiny ones. Tiny potatoes roast just as nice as big ones. Wow, that's a huge worm. Yeah, the French Fingerling did a little bit better, I think. But this isn't terrible. Wow, look at that. All over the place. And the worm in front of you that you might be seeing is going right underneath my phone because there's a little divot there. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. Oh no, did you get hung up? I'm so sorry. Oh, there's another one. God, they're big too. It's a French Fingerling. Uh-oh, whoops. Sorry. Been doing so good, too. Guess I just got the edge of that one. See that? Nice. All right, I'm gonna keep digging and I'll show you what I get at the end.